Greetings, Eric Kamen here with the Joy of Homesteading. This plant right here is called pokeweed or pokeberry, and it makes these purple berries that make this beautiful purple natural dye. So I've collected a 5-gallon bucket of these things, and one of the best things that you can dye is natural fibers like wool. So I'm going to show you how to dye a sheep pink. So here I'm just going through and I'm just smashing up these pokeberries, trying to get all the juice out. And then I'm going to dye the sheep tomorrow morning. A lot of good juice. All right. So we are going to dye a sheep pink. And I think that sheep, not only do they not want to be touched, they don't want to be pink either. Look, I was smashing some of the berries in this bucket and got it on my glove. Look at that. So it rained last night, and calm down. It rained last night, so I did wash this sheep. Oh, come this way. Come this way. Come this way. We're going to just start to get some of this juice. And we're just going to start to rub it into her hair. Ooh, calm down. Calm down, girl. Shh. Calm down. Oh, that's a nice looking color. Oh, this is one of the best ideas I've had in a while.
You're scratching a sheep, but it's getting pink?
Yeah. There's a lot of projects on your homestead that you got to get done, but some of them are time sensitive. And if you want to dye your sheep pink, well, it has to be during pokeberry season. So this is something you just have to get done.
Look at her, his back. That's pink.
This one's a girl.
Yeah, so we're going to keep her pink.
Ah, man, that's looking great.
And we can name her Pinky because it was pink.
No. Really try and work that into the wool.
To make her a pinky?
Yeah.
Because you want it to be only a one sheep, it's pink.
I don't know.
You dyed your own rag.
I did dye this rag. This rag was completely white. I wanted to see what it would do to a white rag.
It does the same.
Turns out it makes it pretty pink. All right, let's get her tail. You can't have a pink sheep with a white tail.
Right. Yeah, pinky. Why? This girl's gonna be
Very pink sheep.
yeah.
She is gonna be a very pink sheep.
And no one says, and they might think they're not even their baby anymore.
I think it won't matter about that.
Because why? Her leg is changing. That's why you need it.
Yep.
Will it eventually wear off?
It will eventually wear off. Yep.
But it'll be fun having a pink sheep for a little bit.
It will be fun having a pink sheep for a little bit. Gotta make sure we get the whole foot. Oh, this is a great idea. I didn't need to collect nearly as much as I thought I did. It's actually going quite a ways on the sheep.
Good thing we got all of it because we're also dyeing its belly.
Yeah, we gotta dye its belly.
With a white belly.
Yeah, I can't have a white belly. Oh, I gotta get in between her toes.
Right.
I want to make sure all of her's pink.
To make her very fat.
It seems like the front of her's not dyeing as good. Like the longer, fluffier part seems to dye the best. So maybe if we dyed one of those really fluffy sheep, she would dye better. Okay, let's turn her around so we can get this side. Turn around, right there.
Like that one, and she's right there.
Oh, yeah.
Just not on her leg. But it still is having a really nice color. It's still not as long. Right?
What?
It's still having a nice color, even though it's not as long.
Oh, yeah, it is a nice color. Oh, where are you going? Let me scratch your butt. It has to feel kind of good to get scratched, doesn't it? Working this nice pink dye into your fur.
But ours just getting scratched. I bet the sheep are getting jealous just from this one just being scratched.
I'm kind of getting my skin stained a little pink myself.
And her is just getting her own. And are you writing it on your head too?
Oh, yeah, I'm going to stain all of her. This is how you dye your sheep pink.
Can it stand right here?
Oh, yeah, probably here. Let me get your side. You can't have your belly white. There we go. Get your belly.
That looks pretty colorful.
She does look very colorful. All right, turn around. Woo. Let me get that arm. Yes, that's perfect. Yeah, let me get your arm, baby. Yes. Oh, that's a good sheepy. That's a good sheepy. That's a good sheepy.
A good pinky.
Good pink sheep. All right. Oh, you're strong. I gotta start getting your neck and your head and your ears.
How are you gonna be a pink sheep without pink
Oh.
hair?
Oh, you like being scratched behind the ears, don't ya? It seems like they like their chest being scratched a lot.
Look,
Let's
I'm
get
got a teeny bit of white right there.
Let's get your ears. Yes, precious. Yes, precious. Now you got the pink ears. Yes.
But there's some right on this.
That's okay.
Ooh, you got that me.
Oh, yeah.
You spring some dye on me.
Man, this is one of the best ideas I've had in a long
You
time.
dye me a little bit.
It's okay. Yeah, we just rub that dye into our wool. And that's how you get your wool pink.
And a moving object. A moving object. As you dye. Would be kind of weird. I don't know why.
You want to get out of the camera a little bit, buddy. There you go. There you go. Yeah, gotta get your neck. Gotta get your neck.
What about on that side? You also have to dye her on that side.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna make sure I get all of her.
But definitely don't rub it in her eye.
Oh wow, what a great looking color.
But you have to also get her close by her mouth.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll get her face and her ears. Yes. Oh, careful, careful. Yeah, we gotta get your head. Alright. Okay, let's see how you're looking. Oh yeah, we gotta get this side for sure. Oh, turn your butt that way. Turn your butt that way.
But you'll still have to get more white on that side. There's more white you still have to dye on that side.
We'll get it. Don't you worry. We'll get it.
You'll close by her eye. Look, there's a pink eyelash. So cute.
Yeah. We'll get it all. So you just basically keep rubbing the pink pokeberry juice into the wool to get all of the wool dyed pink, and it makes this beautiful color. And then not a lot of people ask these questions because this isn't something normal people do, but you might be thinking, like, why would you dye your sheep pink? And the answer to that is I don't know, just because you can. Wouldn't it be funny to see all these pink sheep grazing out in the grass? Ah, yeah. Look at you. I gotta get your face. Yes. Oh, yes. Scratch you, baby.
You're the best daddy ever. He ever
Oh, oh, oh. Careful. Yeah. We gotta get your face. We gotta get your face pink. This is an all-natural dye. Do you know, like, a lot of people think pokeberries are poisonous. A lot of people think that. But that's actually not true. It's the seeds that are poisonous. So there's actually people that make jelly out of pokeberries. And they eat the jelly. Do you know that? But you can't eat the seeds. They'll make you sick.
You might die.
I don't think you'd die, but I do think it would make you sick. Sicker than you'd want to be.
All it looks like is it's just pink.
Wow.
It looks like it's pinking up.
What about our other side of her face? Man, I think we did a really pretty good job of dyeing this sheep pink.
Would it be funny if her was
There we go.
and then there's like,
So let's see what we got here. Let's just back up. Let me get this camera so we can look at our sheep. I'll take these gloves off. Oh man, I got some pink on me. Look at my pink. Okay, so let me take this camera off. So basically, if you look over here, this is what a white sheep looks like. And then over here is what your sheep looks like after you've dyed your sheep pink. Isn't that a great idea? Isn't that awesome?
yeah,
We just dyed a sheep pink. It's all about prioritizing the tasks on your homestead.
that's the silliest thing you ever done.
Right. That's the silliest thing we've done yet. So what have I learned from this pink sheep dyeing experience? Well, you don't need as many pokeberries as I thought you did. We gathered like a whole 5-gallon bucket. We didn't end up needing that. We needed very little. I probably had enough to dye all these sheep plus more, maybe even my neighbor's sheep. So don't need as many as you need, or as you think you need. And then, you probably ought to let your sheep dry before you put them out with the other sheep if you don't want them all pink, because she rubbed up against another sheep and got some pink on him. So if you're just looking to dye one sheep, probably let her dry off first before letting her with the rest of the herd. Anyways, if you like this kind of thing, hit that like button so we can share this with everybody, because everybody needs to know how to dye a sheep pink.